What's up, everybody? You're watching the 4G family, and if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. And if you're already a G family member, well then welcome back. You know what I'm saying? You guys are about to see me get Chanel ready, and I'm not too good at doing her hair, so don't judge me. You feel me? But yeah, let's get into it. Okay, come here. You wanna go buy some slime, Chanel? Yeah? Wow, you look so beautiful. What kind of slime you want?
I want purple.
What is this?
Slime.
What is this?
Piece.
Oh no! It fell.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I want some purple.
You want purple slime?
Yeah.
Alright, then you want to help me make it?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
But do you know how?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
So you're gonna teach me?
Yeah.
You lying.
Yeah.
Alright, let's go. Who's that?
It's in the purple side.
Alright, let's go. Okay, let me do your hair, okay, beautiful? I'm just gonna do a ponytail, alright? Wow, you look beautiful with your long hair. I'm about to give up. Alright, that's the best I can do. Alright, everybody, that's the fit for today. That's the best I could do for her hair. Murdered outfit, chilling. Huh, Chanel? What are you doing? You gonna sit on the ground? You ready to go? You ready to go to Target? Alright, let's get it. Let's go. Alright, everybody, so we're back. So they didn't have the slime that I was looking for. The one that I was looking for is that Nickelodeon one. I think it's what it is. They didn't have it. I'm pretty sure it's next to the Play-Doh. That's where I saw it last time. And it wasn't there, bro. So, you know what I'm saying? The only one we found was this one right here. It's Orion's, they call it goo. But I'm pretty sure it's the same. You know what I mean? Like, and it has the color she wanted. So, I mean, it's better than nothing, bro. You know what I'm saying? So, let's try it. Let's see what it's all about. You ready, Chanel?
Yeah.
Let me open it up. Oh, no, wait. Hold on, okay? Don't touch anything yet, okay? Because I don't know what to do. There's no instructions, bro? Come on. Oh, no, wait. There it is. I'm tripping.
Side. It's outside.
What?
It's outside.
No slime? Yeah. We gotta make it first. We gotta cook.
I want to try.
Okay, hold on, okay? I gotta read the instructions, okay, beautiful? Alright, so first, Chanel, always wash your hands before and after making or playing with your goo. Do not eat or drink wearing an apron. Wear an apron? Damn, bro. I'm about to get my clothes dirty. Alright. So first is clean all equipment and surfaces before and after the use. Wash your hands, pour 80 cold boiled water into the bowl. So I gotta get some water, Chanel, okay?
Okay.
Alright, to 80 milliliters. Wait, Chanel, let me see. Oh, almost there.
Baby, agua.
Agua?
Yeah.
It's okay. It's okay. We can make a mess. It don't matter. I think that right there's cool. Alright. So the next step is pour the whole pocket of goo powder into the bowl, being careful not to inhale, then stir using the plastic. Alright, so we better start cooking. Okay, Chanel. What color you want?
I want purple.
Purple?
Yeah.
Not orange? I'm feeling orange.
Oh.
Purple? Oh, damn, alright then. I was feeling orange, but alright then. Are you sure?
Here.
Are you positive?
Yeah.
I'm feeling orange. You sure, beautiful?
Yeah.
Alright then. Oh, wait. Bro, what the? Spatula? Oh, it's right here. Damn, I'm tripping. Here it is. Okay, Chanel, with this,
Yeah.
you gotta mix it, okay?
Okay.
Hold up, you gotta start cooking. Okay, mixing. You wanna help me?
Yeah.
Soft, okay? Because it's gonna tip. Okay, go. Mix it, circles, okay? Do circles. There you go. Mix it. Watch out, you're gonna spill it. Slow down, beautiful. Slowly add sprinkles of the dye powder, stirring it as it added again. Be careful not to inhale the powder. Be patient when adding the color, as pouring too much in one can cause excessive lumps in your goo. Okay, Chanel, let's stop. We gotta put one of these on. Oh, damn. Oh. Alright, let Puppy try, okay? Let me see, let Puppy try.
Oh.
Wait, Chanel, I'm just gonna go back a little bit. Damn, bro, I feel like a chemist right here, like a scientist, my G. Feel me? Cooking in the kitchen. Damn, bro, it's not turning hard. Continue to stir for an additional 10 minutes. Leave to stand in the bowl for 30 minutes. Damn, I thought this was like right now. Between uses, keep the goo sealed in one of the plastic included. It's said to keep your goo fresh, stored in the fridge, but remember to. Chanel, we're gonna have to make it. We're gonna have to wait, okay? I guess in. Damn, that's whack.
It's so cool.
It's so cool.
Wait.
Yeah, we're gonna have to wait. All right, guys. So it says that it has to sit for 30 minutes. I guess. That's whack, bro. But we're gonna wait. Oh, Chanel, you're spilling it. Hold on, okay, beautiful. So we're gonna wait then, and then we'll be back as soon as those 30 minutes pass. See how it is. We'll check up on it. Look, right now, right now it's just liquid. I mean, you can't see, but I'm saying we'll be back right now then. Alright, everybody. Should I get a little closer, Daddy? Alright, everybody. So it's been 30 minutes, and let's see how this goes, because it does not look ready to me. But hey, bro, the thing said 30 minutes. I'm gonna try to pour it in here. Oh, maybe it is ready. Oh, maybe I added too much water. You see that, Chanel?
Yeah. Papi, what kind of what?
Huh?
What kind of what?
Hold on. Oh no, it's still watery, bro.
Water?
Yeah, I think I put too much water.
Oh.
Hold on, I'm gonna mix it a little bit, okay, Chanel? I need you to mix it a little bit. Where's the spatula? Oh, it's right here?
Right there?
Okay, let me see. What, you like it? It's
Yeah.
cool?
Yeah.
Alright, let me see. Man, you guys can't even see, huh? Okay, I'm here cooking in the kitchen. You feel me? Looking like my boy James Harden. I feel like it's too slimy still. Even though it's what it's supposed to be, though. I get it. Alright, let me see.
Why? I thought you had to
Look, Chanel, look, look. Did I do it right, bro? I don't think I did this right. Let me see. Like, can you hold it? You're supposed to. Oh, hell no. I didn't do this right. I failed. I don't know what I did wrong, but I failed. This slime project was a fail, Chanel. Maybe I'll try the orange one. That's gonna take another like 30-40 minutes, bro. Huh?
Oh wait.
You wanna try the orange one?
No.
No?
No.
You don't?
Try purple, okay? I wanna try.
Okay,
I
hold
wanna
on.
try.
Hold on. Maybe this is a. I think I put too much water. I think that's why. Right, Chanel?
Yeah.
You think so?
Yeah.
Think I put too much water?
Yeah.
You want to try making the orange one, Chanel?
No.
No. But this one's a fail. I failed.
Yeah.
It looks sick though.
Oh.
But it didn't come out how I wanted it to.
Papi.
Huh?
It's over so side.
Huh?
I can put outside.
Oh.
Wow.
Peep, peep, peep.
Cool.
I think I added too much water, Chanel.
Yeah.
You think so?
Yeah.
Alright, everybody, so that concludes the video. We'll probably make the orange one, but I mean, I don't think you guys, I mean, it's gonna take like another 30-40 minutes.
I want
Easy to make
orange.
it. Oh, no orange?
No.
Save it for brother?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Let's make brother make orange?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah. Alright
then. Alright, so brother's gonna make orange, baby doesn't about to make orange, you feel me? And yeah, I think I didn't succeed, bro, because this thing is still too liquid and it's been 30 minutes. Look at that. Like, you can't hold it. It should be something you feel me? You should be able to hold it. It's way too liquidy. So, anyways, but yeah. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video with Daddy And little Chanel. Oh, boy, George.
This body.
What's your brother?
Yeah.
Okay. Well,
Mine.
oh, purple is yours?
Yeah.
Okay.
This body.
There's your brother?
Yeah.
I hope you guys enjoyed. Please stay tuned for more videos. You know, we ain't gonna stop. We gonna keep going, you feel me? No matter what anybody says, or you know what I'm saying? And don't forget to subscribe. Turn your post notifications so you can get notified when we post, obviously, you know. And just stay tuned, bro. We'll keep coming, you know what I'm saying? We'll keep coming with more videos.
Is it owie?
Yeah, I got an owie.
Oh.
Oh, thank you, beautiful. But yeah, alright. Peace.